Hi and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the F33 320D M Sport Saloon in black sapphire. As you can see, this vehicle features a full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit. Alongside that, we've just added a set of the 19-inch 703M alloy wheels that we've just had professionally refurbished in bi-colour jet black. At the front of the car, you can see it has got the Angel Eye and Xenon headlamps. It's a late 2013 vehicle. Down the side of the car, as well as being extremely well presented, you can see our satin sidebars, YNC Mperformance decals and the BMW sun protection glazing the car comes with. It has got the superb BMW intelligent XDRIVE system, and we will talk more about that shortly. The interior is the superb red coral Dakota leather with both the heated and electric lumbar options. It's a 6-speed manual, and as you can see there, that's all in great condition. In the rear, you have an ICE-fixed 3-seat rear bench, central folding armrest, and again, working nicely with that light interior colour is the black darkened M Sport headlining, Again, showing you off those freshly refurbished alloys before we head to the very back of the car, where we opted to go for a high gloss rear boot spoiler and the satin black diffuser. And there you can see that XDRIVE badging. XDRIVE is great because of course it doesn't mean it does not intrude in any of the BMW range's space for luggage or passenger compartment. We've also got the split folding seat option on this F33 3 Series. Round at the driver's side, again you can see how clean and tidy that all is, as well as being nicely presented with all of the additions we've made. Moving into the interior, where we'll go through some of the very nice additions we've got in here. Starting with the BMW Business Media and Navigation. Starting the car up. Down here is where we find the dual climate controls along with our switches for our heated seats. There you can see the navigation. We've also got Bluetooth audio and telephone, DAB radio, along with a wide array of multimedia inputs as well. Going back to the main menu, in just 1 second we'll check out the service requirements. The car itself's covered just over 60,000 miles. And we've got full service history, including predominantly full BMW service history, and the last one was carried out by ourselves, which we've also updated on the iDrive. 17,000 miles till next service. And up in service history there you can see all BMW service history right till the last one, which is carried out by ourselves, as you can see there on the iDrive. So once again, thank you very much for taking the time to watch one of our walk around videos here on another lovely example of an F33 320D XDRIVE. Should you want to get in touch or check the car out in even more detail, of course you'll find the links in the description for both the website and of course contact details for ourselves. Thanks once again, do of course take care, and we'll hopefully see you soon. Take care, bye bye.